Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another week of Scrap Bin Saturday, who's hosted by Megan W. here on YouTube. I'll have everybody's links down below for our challenge. There's about 17 wonderful crafters that are participating in this collab, I guess you might say that. And this week I went simple. I guess I just went into my scrap bin and just looked at the papers I had in there, and I wanted to make a card for a swap I'm doing. Not a swap, I'm sorry. It's just a, oh god, what do you call it? I guess it's a challenge, and I wanted to make a card, and I bust out my little scraps of paper that I got, that I cut down, and I cut down even more to be on this card. I added a doily. This is a scrap of applique that I had in my stash, and I have a little bag of little bits and bobs, I guess. And I have, this was a trim, a butterfly trim that I cut apart, and these are flowers from my stash, and then I just added some bling. So very simple, nothing too fancy, just, you know, adding some scraps. Even this pink paper in the background is a scrap from my cardstock scrap drawers. So every little bit of this is scrap. Even the bling is, you know, from a previous project, and these I just haven't been using much, so I wanted to use them up. So, and then inside of the card I just used the leftover scraps that I had when I cut down the strips, and I just added to the inside of the card. So that is my project for this week. I hope you like it. Hopefully next week I'll be more creative. This week I've just been, it's been hectic. My mojo has kind of fizzled. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll have everybody's links down below, and go check them out. They're wonderful crafters, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye guys.